In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your screen time on your Samsung Galaxy phone. The first step is to go to the settings app on your phone. So I will tap on my settings app, which is located right over here. But obviously it will be different on your phone. Once you're on the settings app, scroll down until you find digital well-being and parental controls. It's located right over here, and this is where you can see your screen time. So you can see for me it says 6 minutes, and underneath that it tells you the app that has been taking up that time. If you tap onto that card, it's going to give you a more detailed breakdown, so you can see the date at the top. You can scroll between dates and it will show you your screen time for those specific dates. Underneath your screen time, it's going to show you how many notifications you received and which apps you got the notifications from. And underneath that, it's going to show you how many times you've unlocked your phone with a bar that represents the different days of the week. Back to the top of the screen time, if you tap on the specific app that has been taking up the time, it's going to give you even more of a breakdown. It's going to show you what time you are using the app. So for me, around 7 a.m. and that's for the daily view. Notifications received 0 because I have notifications turned off for that app. And then times opened 5 times. And you can get a weekly breakdown. If you see at the top next to daily on the right, it says weekly. And then at the top you can scroll between the different weeks and it will show you your screen time for each day of that specific week with your notifications and your times opened as well. If you would like to set a specific goal for your screen time, you can see here it says set goal. I'll tap on set goal and you can set a specific goal for your screen time and then tap on done. Once you've set your goal, you can tap on goal again and it's going to tell you how much screen time you have remaining for that specific goal. So that is how you check your screen time on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.